Hey guys, it's me Nathan, and today we're gonna be talking about Zane the Bad Pony. You know why? Well, he called me and Jack racist, and he got mad at Jack for saying the N-word, which he's black, first of all. And I got proof from Jack's live. I'm going for proof.
Your friend in the team of Pork Chop Station, well, guess what? You're racist. Yeah, you me. Are you going to listen to me, Nathan, or are you going to listen to a dumbass that wants to fucking expose me?
Listen to a dumbass. Nobody.
Zane the Bad Pony, if you're watching this, I don't care.
You're tweeting.
Get it off with.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's what I fucking thought, Nathan. Also, get your angry... J-Bo, if you like, you can get your angry face on if you like, but if you don't, that's all.
Get your damn angry face.
Nathan, you're so racist. Yeah, get out of here, Nathan. You're so fucking racist.
All of her.
Yeah. If your nephew runs me, it is a very... The Bad Pony is a very pedophile. Wait, seriously, bro. Who are the guys who are the Columber? Bluey, Bailey, Jack, and Silver, and all those other guys were in the call yesterday, and he was calling Jack racist because of saying the N-word when he was seriously, when he was black. And Jack, thanks for letting me know about this and the other guys. And this is right here. I joined and there's drama happening, like I don't know why. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video. I gave the Zane the Bad Pony 2-second video. So anyway guys, see y'all later. Bye.